Good morning, everyone. I'm Hannah. What I'm going to talk about today is the smart logistics management. I will divide into four sessions. First is the smart logistics management and logistics management. And the second is the difference between logistics and smart logistics. And the third is the advantage and disadvantage about smart logistics management. And the last one is the application of smart logistics management. And smart logistics management and logistics management. Smart logistics management is to use advanced technology to improve the efficiency of logistics and supply chain and make the whole process faster. It consists of the following 4 points. First is the increment sensing. It uses RFID, light sensor, infrared sensor to obtain the quality, weight, location, and location of goods. And the second is the data processing. It formats the data from different sensors. And the third is the interpret analysis. It uses statistical models to analyze logistic data. For example, analyze the time spent on goods in various logistic links. The last one is the optimized decision making. It evaluates the cost of different logistic solutions and finds the lowest cost solution. And the logistic management also have following 4 points. First is the supply chain planning. It's including demand forecasting, ordering raw materials, and ensuring adequate inventory to meet customer demands. And the second is the transportation management. It's responsible for arranging the transportation of goods, including selecting appropriate modes of transport and route planning. And the third is the inventory management. It's responsible for monitoring and managing inventory level to ensure demand while minimizing inventory costs and risk. And the last one is the information flow management. It's responsible for collecting, storing, and applying it to decision making and efficiency improvements. And next one I want to talk is the difference between logistics and smart logistics. Smart logistics management have included 4 points. It incorporates advanced technology like IoT, AI, and automations. It prioritizes personalized service and real-time updates. It also utilizes real-time data and predictive analytics for decision making. The last one is incorporates eco-friendly practice and reduce carbon footprints. And the logistic management, it has also have 4 points. First is it relies on traditional method and manual process, and focused on order fulfillment and delivery. And it also depends on historical data and basic forecasting. And the last one is there's often a lack of concern for environmental impact, resulting in carbon emission and waste. And its advantage and disadvantage compare. About the cost aspect, its advantage is automation and real-time checking reduce labor costs, resulting in reduced operational expense. And its disadvantage is about setting up IoT device, software, and automation system requires a significant capital investment. And the technology aspect is about relies on technology increased efficiency, especially through automated systems that reduce manual errors and speed up processes. And its disadvantage is about business process may be too dependent on technology, making it impossible to perform tasks efficiently when technology fails. And the last part, application. It also have the fine points about. First is a warehouse. It deploys AGV for interior warehouse movements. It also utilizes RPA for repetitive tasks. And the second is the supply chain. It uses IoT sensor for real-time monitoring and implements blockchain for transparency. And the third is the inventory. Inventory uses RFID and barcode scanning for checking. It also implements predictive analysis for forecasting. And the last 2 points is about customer service and sustainability interactive. It provides real-time checking platforms and sends automated delivery notification, and also implements eco-friendly route planning and optimized waste management system. And this is all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.